Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, mate.
How are you, Will?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Gordon, James, good to see you.
And you, mate.
And this is...
Stephen.
Steve, thanks for shaving.
Richard.
Richard, how are you? Welcome. The most important thing about the food tonight is straightforward and easy. But the real key is cooking for 50 diners.
Right.
Yes? And if they're not happy with the food, they've got the right not to pay for it. That makes you look stupid. That's my reputation going down the fucking pan. That's not going to happen. You know, I don't care, quite frankly, whether you hate my guts, but between now and 11 o'clock, I just want it right. Yeah, nothing more than that. Yeah, let's go.
The starter tonight, it's a very simple seared crusted tuna with a watercress salad.
OK, guys, here we go. Richard, James and Steve. Now, you all work in the city, yes?
Yeah.
You all handle pressure?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now it's time to fucking prove it, yes? First order. 4 covers away, table 4. 4 seared tuna, 4 sea bass, 4 apple donuts.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
The brigade have been shown how to make the starter, but to ensure they know what they're doing, I'm going to run through it one more time.
Yeah? Goes in the soy sauce first, yeah? That starts to season it, yes? Then from there, we get our wasabi. We brush it on, all over. Then, get your seeds and sprinkle your seeds over there. We've got a sesame seed crusted loin of tuna.
Pan's really nice, so it'll sear it and not boil it, OK? You focus on the tuna.
Yeah.
Nothing more. Turn that round. See the colour of the seeds. Like a nice toasted colour. So watch, not too thin. Nice slices down. Look at that. All that tuna goes out like that, yeah? I can guarantee we'll have 50 customers that'll be paying for that. Now, let me ask you a question, all of you.
Yep.
Yeah? Now, you may be from Essex and fucking tight and too interested in fucking drinking. However, would you pay for that?
Yes.
Yeah, I would. Listen to it. That's searing the tuna in, yes? What's the matter?
The olive oil bottle is...
Lift it off.
melting.
Oh, fucking hell. Everyone on that stove is fucking piping hot, yeah? If we do it again, the whole fucking place is going to go up in fire, OK? You guys work under pressure each and every day. Get organised, yes?
Gordon, ripping it to bits just now.
It's because it's cooked to fuck, that's why. In the bin. Fuck's sake.
I need
2 seconds, 2 seconds. What do you need?
More olive oil.
More olive oil. Come on, guys. Stop. It's burnt, my man. If you just follow me, yeah, and you ask me questions, I'm there with every step of the way that you'll go through. OK. But, you know, quite frankly, that's nearly 20 quid's worth of tuna in the fucking bin, yes? So, start again.
Yeah.
Salad away, please. Yes, because that's going to be like a fucking limp dick. Let's clear down. We'll do the whole fucking thing again, yes? All we've got now is 4 portions each to do, that's all. Watercress leaves. Bean shoots in there. Yeah. Some coriander. Yeah. Spring onions in there. Yeah. A little bit of dressing, yes?
Right. Add a touch of ginger, honey and sesame oil dressing and place it on a bed of thinly sliced radish.
Because it's so thick, yeah, what we'll do is put 2 nice slices on there.
Now, are you happy with those?
Yes.
Yeah, because I am. They look fantastic. Table 4, go, please, yes? Clear down and start again, yes?
OK.
We've seen that table come out a long time ago and nobody else, another table's just come out now, but that's been over 25 minutes.
Come on. Yes. This is stunning, fucking, beautifully cooked tuna that has to be served properly, yeah? Come on.
Let's go. Clear your shit down. Hello, hey, big boy. Your cutters. That's it. Away from the hot plate. We may be slow, but at least the food's going out looking fucking fantastic, yes?
Yes, chef.
Come behind you, mate.
Place up. Forget the mate, guys. Gordon, yes?
Sorry, Gordon.
Fucking hell, guys. We're not down the fucking boozer now. Let's go.
Service, please.
Wait,
Last
chef.
table, yes? Thank you.
Both hot, yeah?
Voilà, on y va.
Go. OK, come here, guys. Here comes JB with the results. Obviously slow. How many customers are going to pay for their starter?
Still very good news. Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone is paying.
Yeah, that's fucking good news, yeah? What's not good news for me on a personal front, without the customers known, is what went in the bin. That's nothing to be proud of. However, well done. Now, that doesn't mean to say we've got to start pissing our pants and fucking up the sea bass, because 50 customers can refuse to pay for the bass.
Yeah.
It's a good start, but it's going to get fucking harder.